Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel again today. Now in today's video, I'm still working on doing the decluttering in my spare bedroom. Now right now, as of today, I'm finished with what I'm planning on doing in my closet. But I do have some items in this dresser drawer, chest of drawers, that I need to go through and see if there's anything that I can get rid of. I keep my nightgowns and pajamas and pajama bottoms in here, along with crafting items that I'm sewing for Christmas gifts. So let's go straight to the drawer that has my night items in it and see what we can bring out. Okay, here's the first thing that I see. Now this is a little crop top. It's a sleep top. And I got this from Victoria's Secret many years ago. I no longer wear this. I can't even tell you when the last time was I wear it. So I am going to donate that. And I do have a gown right here on top that I can get rid of. This is a blue nightgown with cats on it. It's cute and it's pretty and I wear it a lot, but I need to downsize my nightgown, so I'm going to have to force myself to get rid of some, even some of my favorites. So this one can go to donation pile. Now I can see this one right here is a dark one. I'm trying to get rid of all my dark nightgowns because they just don't impress me anymore like they did when I first bought them. This one here says make today amazing, and I really liked it when I first got it, but I find it uncomfortable to wear because of see how the neckline is? It droops down and I'm constantly pulling it up. So yeah, that one's definitely going to go. And then I have another darker one here that I can probably get rid of. Once again, it's another one with kitty cats on it. It's gray, so that's close to the black category, and it has zodiac signs on it. So yeah, we can definitely get rid of that nightgown. Let me see what else is in here. Here I have a black one that I can probably let go of. Let's look at it and see what we think about the designs. Okay, it says dream, stars, relax. It has planets and stars, shooting stars, and it's black. So yeah, this one's definitely going to be one to go. There's only 7 days in a week, 30 days in a month. Now, I have already donated a lot of my nightgowns, and I wish I had kept track of them because I have no idea how many I've donated. But for a while there, when I was working, I had an addiction. Every time I would get into Walmart to buy groceries or whatever on Friday when I got paid, I was going by and picking up a nightgown. So I definitely need to go through these. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here's another black one that we can get rid of. This one's kind of along the same lines as the other one. Sleep, bedtime, dream, dream in progress, do not disturb, good night. And it's black. So, like I said, I'm trying to get rid of the black ones because I'm just not happy with them anymore. And we have one here that is also black, or more along the lines of gray. This one says, wake me when it's Friday. Now, once again, this is one of those that has the droopy neckline that's constantly causing me to pull it up. Plus the fact that it's gray. So, yeah, I will be getting rid of that one. I think I have a blue one here that I could probably let loose of. This one says coffee, mocha, choca, lappuccino, fresco. I'm not a coffee drinker. And I guess I liked it when I first got it. It was probably the new one on the rack when I got it. So yeah, we can definitely let go of the coffee one. And this one right here, this is kind of a Christmas nightgown. It's pink, which is a favorite color of mine, but as you can see, it has snowflakes on it, There's a cow with red cardinal birds and a red ribbon, which is all pretty much synchronized with Christmas, so we will get rid of that one. Okay, here's another one that I can get rid of. It is a yellow, pretty color yellow, and it's summertime. It has toucan birds on it, palm trees, sunglasses, bananas, ferns, pineapples. But like I said, I have to downsize, and so we will be getting rid of the yellow pineapple one. Let me see what else I've got in here. Okay, here's another one that I can get rid of. This is kind of another one that's along the Christmas theme. I probably bought these all in November, December. It has penguins on here with ski apparatus and snow coming down. So we will get rid of that. So that is going to be my decluttering video for today. I do have more nightgowns and I will probably be going through them again. I would like to pare them down to where I only have 10 of my most favorite nightgowns that I'm keeping. And the rest of them I will try to put these on Facebook Marketplace for a low price and see if I can make a little money. And if not, then they will definitely be donated. So thank you guys for coming and watching this video with us today. Remember, your life is very short. Make it the absolutely best that you can. And y'all come back and see us again any old time. Bye for this one.